Hold on, yeah.
Nice one for the quad, man.
Alright, so got a new spot.
You ready? There's one in front of you too. Yo,
Where is the next one?
one in front time. Or that man go ask you if coming right in the water there's reflection, you know. That's what you shoot?
Yeah. No, I see when I put the spear in the water, it up here bend.
That's what I say, reflection.
Yeah.
So like the bend. Yeah. So I think I hear me shoot, because me thinking there further what you would.
No.
Oh my god.
Alright, see the next one. Wait, shit. Yo, a big one here.
Yeah, you see him.
Shit. Now get him. Yo, see the next one on the rest of that?
Yeah, listen him.
Yo,
I'm gonna try to show you guys.
Yo, don't go too far, okay? Then see. Watch it. Look up this
The
one.
next one. Yeah, you see him. You see him, guys?
Alright, keep calm. Don't make no sudden movement.
Be very quiet.
Alright, I'll go hold on now. Come now. Alright, see me?
Push my hold him.
Right here. Like so. Hold him down. Put pressure upon him so I'm going to shoot the next one.
Okay.
Yo, a three of them right there. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, I think two of them still in. Which one to shoot?
Don't move another.
Ready? Now know what the next one I'm going for.
If you could zoom in more. Let's see if I was that one.
Keep yourself quiet. Gunshot. Yeah, I laugh. I hear the shoot next one.
Alright.
Shot the difficulty.
Yo, you shoot that one in the door.
No, boy, I have to shoot a crap. One when I want to hold.
Yeah, that one. The first
Aye.
one.
Shit.
Bite it.
No bite me. You see that? You got a lock on your hand. You see blinky today.
Even when you spear them inside so much strength?
Yeah, him not did it. Spear not take out.
Oh, so you're pushing claw down in the
Yeah.
So you can
Push on back the spear.
Alright, so his claws are in the dirt, so he'll be killed. Alright, we're good.
The next big one here, so I know it's cutting guard.
I think I found a crab. Yeah. I don't know if you guys will be. You see where you see that little yellow orangish thing? It's right there. I cannot take my eyes off of him or it's my illusion. No. Will I drink a jelly? Yes. Alright, we missed that crab, but there's one somewhere down
They're too far.
too far. Yeah, you guys can't see.
I don't know if you guys can tell. I am so freaking happy. I probably said this like third time or fifth time today.
Yeah.
So yo, Raj, bless up for that.
Bless up.
You see me?
Yo, get some jelly.
Yeah. But yo guys, don't forget, jump over to his channel, you see me? Subscribe if you want to see Jamaican movements, cooking, catch and cook. You see me? Me and him are going to do a whole lot more link up on videos and stuff, so don't forget. Spear Fishing Jamaica. I'm going to put the link in the description box as well, so you guys can see, alright?
Alright. So we are underneath the jelly tree.
If any of you guys know the significant difference between the orange jelly and the green one, let me know. Let me know if it, drop in the comments, let me know if it has more flesh or more juice. I don't know, but let me know.
I only certain how TV make them. Alright.
Raj just said he saw like a dozen crabs running into holes, but yeah, my dad was trying to hide. Hopefully I get to shoot one today.
I shoot my hand on the road. Okay, so I'm just going to the hole here. Shit. Yeah, my hole gone down, so I spotted my shit there. Yo, imagine how them carry almost seal them there in them house and that man just dig them out.
No.
Say yo.
Yeah, but you know we're not catching for sport, we're catching to eat, you know.
Yeah. Shit. Right, so the hole. I'll take a little shortcut. Oh, the hole are long. Jano. Oh, brother.
I'm sorry. That dude long hole, boy. That hole long too.
I tried to go down. No, I want to go yonder.
Oh gosh. Alright, Roger, go try set the gun so I can, you know, shoot. So put the spear through, select, you know, hold the trigger, then select.
Alright.
Pull the rubber up.
Yeah, who hold it very firm, you know.
Yeah.
I use 2 fingers, press it. Alright. I'm gonna show the camera. How am I hold it? Now hold it right or something? No, look at it, I'm not sure. Let's take time, look up. Never see the leg there. You see the leg there? Into the face. No, go through this up and the squeegee. Just rest the gun point on the tip of the wall.
You miss.
Oh, you missed the crab.
Yo! Dog, you're gonna have recoil.
Because if you catch a tip on the wall, you jump on. I'm gone. See what we can sell next time.
So we're trying to find another crab. I can't believe I missed that shot. Too much recoil. So he gave me some pointers, which is to pretty much put the spear down on the dirt, so to give it more balance because the spear is long. So hopefully I can get that experience.
Guys, I'm so sad. I can't believe I missed my shot. Yo, if you can't believe that I missed a shot, drop a comment and just say, yo, Ibby, can't believe I missed a shot. But we're gonna pick some pimento leaves. As I said, I'll be back here another time, so I'll get a crab. Don't worry, we're gonna be mine.
Go and take time and just take time, go down on him and rest the gun on the wall like this and go around. Another hole at the same time, you can see the coding. You can see the vibration.
Which one my approach answer?
Hold on, set the gun on you. Don't miss it now.
Yo, not gonna miss because I put pressure on me.
No. Alright, just rest the gun on the hole like this and just take time, shoot it down to the distance and turn like this.
Okay.
You can feel the vibration. Is it a record? When you reach close enough, just push down the gun. You see, look up and back up, push out, shoot in point. Carry down the gun, aim it. Push it down from the back. Wait down for it to come out. You get it? No, you get it?
I don't know, see, so I don't know.
The f man, this is the next one.
How the f no, hold on.
You get on two?
How the f
Not even one two?
Right on, me pissed off right now, dog.
Alright, come in, we carry over one place right so we shoot and come back. Come on, shoot a crab.
me have to shoot on from left and right, now me very upset.
Hold it firm in the car, it's a slide. Hopefully we can see one right. Remember to use receipt. Yeah.
Brother, if I not catch him, I'm done, you know.
Feel like him look on it?
Oh, that.
Well, I see him get a good shot. Police.
What? Yo, dog, what could happen?
First time I that.
I know, but like, me can't figure out what to do to correct it. Cross the water again. Just found another crab. 4 meters. Yo, that's just... Whoa. It feels like quicksand. Awesome. Roger, you walk through this. Oh, look at that water. Whoa. Oh my gosh, I don't like this. Yo, that felt so gross. I would not want to be trapped in quicksand, trust me. Dog say I like me go bad poop poop. The cross is the farm. I drew this. Yo, it just shows that this man has been doing this for years, and you might look at it and think, yo, it's easy just shooting a crab.
Alright. You see me again? Come on, bit now. Push the spear, gauge it on the haulage. Push it down. Turn your hand. Yeah, hand a trim bussy.
Enjoy whatever.
Push it down. Pull the trigger.
That's so like me catch him, you know.
Try it.
Please.
Don't dry the spear right out. Feel it in the pan. Yo!
Oh, next one.
Boom! In the pan?
No.
Yo, it's the next one right, so I look for me dog. Pull this fast. You move shoot down now, that's it.
We've been saying that for the last 10 crabs.
Oh, that thing you bite.
Mosquito.
No man, I'm cold fly. Shit, alright. Come. Bend down. Push out the hand. Don't carry it up too much. You see him, right? You see him?
Yeah.
Take time, shoot down the gun. Aim for the back. Shoot it away. Aim for look on the tip of the spear. You get it?
No, move.
You get it, man.
You get it?
Yeah.
Yo, persistence. I'm having good support in a rush. Yo, God. You man.
Wait, don't draw the spirit.
Oh.
Hold the camera and take him out.
Oh, wow.
You're almost missing, you know?
Almost?
Yeah. But you get him this time.
Jeez. Yo, for the persons who are like, don't worry, Ibby, you'll catch a crab in the comments before you say, yo, how you miss him. Yo, drop the comment. Let me know, say that I show me support even through all of this. My
Bang,
first
bang.
crab.
Alright, I'm gonna take him out.
Whoa.
Shit, it's stuck in the tree.
Oh, guys, you don't even understand. Come feel. So it's a struggle to get him out, but is it a big one? Alright, not bad. Not bad.
Yeah, the cloud gone. Oh, see that?
Got it? Oh, whoa.
Female crab.
Female crab.
Yeah.
Yeah, broader abdomen.
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 Crab of abs.
Yo, I feel so accomplished right now. So Raj said we're getting some pimento leaves and we're going to boil the crab. Straight into the water.
Digging.
You know, say if I up to me, I forget where the bag them there. But that I look for your bag all day.
Oh gosh. Yo, you shot tear off in the face, you know?
Yeah man, so we do it, you know. My only kill was trying to run away. Oh. Alright.
Yeah, this can more than this.
Yep.
Let's go. Wait, don't forget your claw.
Yo, it's the first in my life I'm ever holding a crab, like a freaking live crab, yo. Whoa. And my first time putting a crab in a crab bag. Bad man, go down. So, I have the gun, the machete, pimento leaf, and we are going to the sea to prepare our lunch. So it's a natural cooler.
Yeah.
Yeah, the water is definitely
We'll wash them off now.
a couple degrees colder. Alright guys, so we have the crabs in the bag. We're pretty much gonna do like a quick you know, cook up on it, Jamaican traditional way we're gonna be doing it. And but that's gonna be in the next video. If you guys wanna see the full cooking in the next video, then it's gonna be dropping probably tomorrow or so. Alright guys, so remember these three things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember to keep the link. And remember, check out my bro's channel, Spearfish in Jamaica. Keep the link.